So children, today we'll draw an abstract girl or an abstract queen or Jhansi Ki Rani or whatever you say. So quickly start. We will just make a big U. A big U right from the starting of the page. We will make a big U. After making this big U, we will write number 11. A big number 11. A big number 11. And then we take the shoulders of the girl. Okay, these are the shoulders. This is the off shoulder dress which the girl is wearing. Okay, so we have made the big U, we have made number 11, the shoulders. Now we will make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 4 lines, these are the necklace of the girls. Okay, now let us start from the left hand side. From the left hand side, in between this, you can see one center spot here. So from here we will go up. Then from here we will go up. Then again from the second necklace we will again go up. So we have gone up 3 times. Tew, tew, tew. Now from this first tew you will come down. One standing line, you come down, you make a drop. Again you make a big drop. These are the big earrings which this auntie is wearing. Even I like big earrings. If you follow me on Facebook, you will see I am known for my big earrings. Okay, now quickly from first, second, third necklace, you will take one strand up right till the end of the book. Okay, now from this side of her khopda, you can see from this side of her khopda, we will bring one strand down. Then from the center of the U, we again bring one strand down. Now we write a C, just like that. Okay, we write a C. Now we will start for the face part. We will just make a big dash. Okay, these are the lips. From here we will make 1, 2, 2, 2. And then we make the U. Okay, then we make one line down, one line up. Then we go here, this is the nose, we come up here. Now from here you will make one ulta U, one seedha U, and we will make an eye. And like the beak of a bird, we will just gusau one beak here and color this part black. I am coloring directly with a marker, children. If you want, you can color with your oil pastels. After this, let us make the eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows of a girl, very simple. It's an abstract, so however you make, that does not make any difference. So the face is done, this part of her headgear is done, this part of her headgear is done, the body is done. Now she likes to have some drinks, so we will make a wine cup. Though it is a wine cup, it will have kiwi in it. We will not keep wines. So this is the wine cup. Kiwi, it overlaps. Never mind. This is the kiwi. Okay. This is the straw. A simple straw, and then we cover the back part. Now we just make the ulta pattern, ulta U pattern on her dress. So the drawing is ready. Now we take 2 blue colors. One is ultramarine blue and one is light blue. We'll be doing shading. Even if you don't want to do shading, nothing, like it's not compulsory. So this headgear part, let the borders be done first. See, always remember, children, first complete your borders. I'll show you how the shading is to be done. Even if you want to completely do it with ultramarine blue, it is your choice completely. See, I have completed half with ultramarine blue. Now how I do my shadings. This little light blue, I will go inside, pull it out, 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 go inside, pull it out. Chappa, 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 chappa. And now I quickly go down. Be very careful for your finished, and with little fingers you can just smudge it. See, this smudging is done. Can you see the smudging done, children? See, the smudging is done. Now this blue will again come up here. So children, now this ultramarine blue. Now see children, I'll tell you one thing very frankly. These are DOMS colors, so it is ultramarine blue. If you go in something else, some other company, it will be turquoise blue or some other blue. So you really don't bother with the names of the colors because every company gives their own names. अभी घसर पट्टी अंदर जाके बाहर निकाल के you have to fight with the colors to give a very nice look. Okay, now here every part will be a shading part. So this blue has been done. Little with my fingers, I brush my teeth. Okay, these two blue parts are done. Still the blue part is remaining. We will directly color one second part. Second part light blue with no shadings at all. Okay, this is without any shading. This is the light blue part. Done. Okay, should we put blue somewhere else? No, forget it. We'll see later on. Okay, now we take our red and orange color and this triangular part on her khopda. Again, half red. Okay, this is done half red. Now we have to goose out the color inside and we do the shading part. Okay, so this orange is done. We will do this orange here. So half red. Let us do the borders very carefully first. See, the borders are to be done carefully. However big you become, you still have to do your borders. Okay, now you can fill the color quickly. No white spots to be seen, children. If your white spots are seen, you are out. Okay, now you take your orange, goose out a little in your red and see, I'm not entering into this part. It is only till here. Okay, so this orange part is done. Okay, the orange part is done. Now we put it here. Okay, it's our choice. It's our choice. Completely our choice. But I want to put it here. So see, once I do my border, I can go fast. At the borders, we should be slow. Now again, see, this is your kiwi, so let it be. This is your border part. Okay, we are going to do the lips also the similar color. Enter, come out, enter, come out, enter, come out. Simply always use bright colors for your paintings. Bright colors show that you are a very bright person, want to do everything in life. If you use dull colors, that depicts that you're a boring person. So eyeshadow, okay, only orange, no shading. This is the eyeshadow. She's going for a party, so we have put little bit of eyeshadow. Very nice. The eyeshadow part is done. Okay, this eyeshadow part is done. Now we'll put two gulus in the lips. Let us put two gulus in the lips. Okay, my god, my color is coming out. We color it red. You are not supposed to enter the gullu. Let the gullu be by itself, and then you take your orange color and give a, she's a fashionable girl, so she has two shades in her lipstick. Let me dust my book a bit. This is not coming out yet. Okay, now this red color, we'll make her dress red color. She's going for a party. She wants to be highlighted in the party, and because she wants to be highlighted in the party, she's wearing a red dress. Red catches attention. I just love reds and maroons. They are the eye catchers. So half dress is red, and then we drag the color out. It's a shaded dress for her. Okay, not one color. This is a shaded dress for her. Dun 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 dun. It hardly takes any time to color it. The only thing is that you should not bring the colors out and you should not leave any white spaces. Now we'll use the shades of green. So up it will be dark green. First let's do the border. Let's do the borders first, okay? And then you can rush up with the colors. Oh, I'm not liking this green much. You can use emerald green if you wish, emerald green of DOMS. Then I've taken my Popatia, my favorite color, the parrot color. I enter a little into my dark green, I pull it out, I enter, I pull it out. I enter, I pull it out, and then I do my borders and I finish this part. Okay. Now this parrot green is also a very nice, colorful. Okay, I'll have to smudge it a little with my hand because it's not come that well. I can smudge it with my hand. So it's done. Now we'll take the skin color. We'll color this part without any shading. We'll color its skin. Okay, this part is done skin. Then we take the pink color. This part will be pink. Okay, after doing this pink, we can jump into the necklace and make it pink here. We are missing yellows. Yes, we'll do a little bit of yellow also. Let this be pink. Not required. Okay, now we'll take this. It looks very light purple, but it is gray rose color. Remember, it is gray rose color. So this gray rose color, it's a dull color, but still we will use it somewhere. We are using it here, and we are using it in between this earring. Okay, now let there be a little balance of colors. This green is here, so we should give a little bit of green here. Let us make the borders. What I'll do is, I'm not liking the dark green much, so what I'll do, I'll give a little portion to the dark green and just the portion to Popatia green. Okay, many of my students have already made this painting, but still these are for all my subscribers who haven't made it. It's a very famous painting. If you type abstract girl, this will definitely come. I'm showing you in a very easy way. That might be a little difficult. See now, I have not goosed inside. So how it looks too. Now I have to goose a bit. You have to enter into the color. Still I'm not finding it that. So I will use my hand. I'll press it. See, I'll press it and I will make the shade. Okay, I press it to make the shade. It's not come that good, but I'll make it good. No drawing goes bakwas. Every drawing has a good thing. So let me take this light violet color and I'll color this part light violet. Okay, this is light violet. Now I'll take my gray rose color. See, my gray rose color to do the shading of this part. My gray rose color. If you don't have any of these colors, never mind, you can use whatever comes to your mind, because it is not necessary. This is just a colorful abstract girl which we are making. So you can make it very colorful the way you like it. If you don't like any of the colors, please discard it, no issues at all. Let me color this a bit lemon yellow, a very bright color, lemon yellow color. This is the brightest of all. Now we'll take this glass we'll color it dark yellow this side, medium yellow, in fact medium yellow, medium yellow, medium yellow, medium yellow. Okay, and then we will use this lemon yellow to make it more brighter and nice. See, let your painting be bright. Once your painting is bright, it looks nice. Now again we are using these two shades. The upper part of the earring will be the darker side of yellow, and the lower part we'll do it with this light yellow. Okay, just giving a bit of shading. Now I want yellow on the necklace, so without any shadings, of course, this will be done. Now what part is left is the body. Now for the body we will take the yellow gray color. Savli Saloni, we have to make a Savli Saloni, so we will quickly do this yellow gray on one side of the face. I don't like to give skin colors to the body because I love dark women. They look more beautiful, more nice. Okay, bitches, let us do it. Okay, let us do it. The border part, one side of the face is dark and one side of the face will be dark, light. So this part, this is again the skin part of hers. So done. This is the skin part. Now Buddha's to be left. Let the colors go soft. Okay, now this is the neck part of hers to be dark, half light. Okay, so I've just made. Now this part of her body is again dark. In fact, the entire part is dark. She's a dark girl, dark, beautiful girl. Okay, I'm doing the borders first. Now I have to do this part a bit carefully because there are U's inside. Don't tell me that she's looking like a Rakshasni, because it's a very beautiful abstract painting. We can do beautiful girls, we can do ugly girls, but remember, ugly girls look very good on paintings. Beautiful girls don't look that good. So now we'll quickly fill this color. We have already done it. Okay, you can use circular movements, you can use any sort of movements, but remember there should be no whites left. The technique is to use the circular movements, the gully movements. The gully movements will give you no whites. You have to ghasaw your color a bit. Ghasaw till your color disappears. Okay. This teacher eats colors, you know, for breakfast, for her lunch, for her dinner. She keeps on eating your colors. That is why I'm a mota girl. Now I'm using the a lighter brown shade for the half part of the face. It's called the buff color. Okay, or you can say the mustard color. In some dabbas it will be written mustard, in some it will be light brown, in some it will be buff. Enjoy your coloring. If you so enjoy your coloring, finish your colors. and tell mommy papa to bring more and more colors for you. So this part is done. Now we have to jump to the kiwi. Kiwi is my favorite. It is papaya green in color. So we'll color it papaya green, papaya green, papaya green, papaya green. Okay, I've left little part just like that. Now the inner part will be dark green, and we'll put few patches or few seeds with black. Okay, the kiwi is green but the juice is blue. A juice is blue and a straw is red. Now to do the background of this, I have taken my water cake colors because itni ghasar patti is very tedious for me also. So what we do is we take a thick brush, we wash it every time, we take a color. I'm taking yellow now. I put a little yellow here. Okay, now I wash it. I wash my brush. I take orange color. I just do a little bit of orange here. Again I wash it. I take a little darker shade of orange. I do a little darker orange here. Again, see, I'm washing my brush every time. I am taking blue. Okay, a little blue here. See, you have to play with colors. When you play with colors, see how beautiful it looks. Okay, so this part is done. Now again I'll take a bit of yellow, because yellow and blue as it is makes green, so it will give me a green tinge. Okay, I'm pulling this color a bit here. Now I take my sap green color. Okay, I pull it here. Let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. What color should we have down? Okay, I'll have blue again. A little bit of blue, and I come up again. See how colorful it looks. Okay, this part is done. Now this part, again we'll start with yellow. Now yellow is here, so I'll take yellow here. Okay, I start with yellow. I wash my brush every time I take a new color. I take a little bit of dark orange directly. Okay, I wash my brush. Now I take what should I take? I'll take a little bit of pink. Yes, it's very dark, so I smudge it till it becomes light. Okay, now I wash my brush well, and I take blue. I take blue here. I take blue here. Let the above part be green. I take blue and I spread it here. Okay, again I wash my brush. I take green for this part. I take my green. I mix it with my blue. Let it come down here. Again I wash my brush. Okay, with blue let the green color come, because we are already having red up. So let the green color come. It will. Yes. Now this part should be not yellow. Let us take orange color. Okay, we take orange color and we take a little bit of crimson color. Wash my brush and just mix the colors. So how colorful it is, how colorful.